Hello everybody, welcome to Curriculum Night. I am Miss Hunt. I teach 6th grade math. I don't normally have a red square around my face, but I think this is going to be the best way to show you everything that I want to show you. So like I said, I'm Miss Hunt. I teach 6th grade math. To start off, a little bit about myself. I've taught 6th grade math for 5 years now. I am originally from Johns Creek, back when it was Alpharetta, but I've been in Alpharetta, Johns Creek, Duluth area for my entire life. The only time I didn't live here was when I was going to Georgia State in Atlanta. That's where I graduated from with a degree in education. And last but not least, most importantly, I have a 4-year-old daughter named Lorraine. Got my little pictures of her over here. And what else? My schedule this year, mostly on level, and then during Wolfpack time, I help some students who need extra help. And 6th period, that's what this video is for, is going to be my 6th grade enhanced class. The enhanced class we have all kinds of different names. The enhanced is different than the advanced, but the enhanced is still advanced, if you want to think about it that way, because we do 3 semesters worth of work in 2 semesters. So we do the whole 6th grade curriculum and the first semester of 7th grade curriculum by the end of this year. So let me show you a little bit more about that. Should have changed this to say something else, but I'll show you just how to find the curriculum. You would go to the Fulton County Schools website. So let me go back and show you. If you go to our main page and then you type over here, search for Math 6 Enhanced Curriculum. Now you could just look at the Math 6 curriculum for right now because it's going to be the same for right now, but if you want to see what we're doing for the entire year, you could type in Math 6 Enhanced Curriculum. It's this one with the peach with the G right here, Comprehensive Course Overview. When you click on that, you can see our entire year, what we're learning. And basically, we're starting right now number system with decimals and fractions. Then we use to ratios, rates, proportion, percentages. That's all in Unit 2. Unit 3 and 4 is a little bit of algebra with expressions and equations. Then we have geometry, area and volume. We go to statistics. We cover a lot of stuff. Then this is where 6th grade, oh no, I'm sorry. The 6th graders also do this. They have negative numbers at the end of the year. And then this, after Unit 7, is where the 6th grade curriculum ends and the 7th grade curriculum starts. So then at the end of the year, we'll be doing operations with rational numbers, which is, like negative numbers will be involved. And then we'll do some, 7th grade more advanced algebra and ratios. If you want to find this, like I said, it's on the Fulton County website. Just have to search it up. And then you can see kind of an overall map, but you can also, if you scroll down through lots of really exciting stuff here, if you scroll down, you can eventually find each one of those standards. So if you're ever looking at this and you're thinking, well, what does this mean? Oops, what does any of that mean? You can scroll down and it'll give you exactly, EE5 means students should be able to blank, 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 and you can read that. So that's a really good tool for you guys to have. Grades. We have 3 categories. We have the major, which is basically the test. That's 50%. We have the minor, that's like quizzes and classwork. That's 35% of their grade. And then the practice, like the homework, is 15% of the grade. I generally have homework 4 nights a week. Sometimes only 3 nights a week. Never on Fridays, but I don't collect it all 4 days a week. I'll usually only collect it maybe once, maybe twice a week. And I don't really tell them like when I'm going to. So they just need to make sure they're doing it every night. It should not take them more than 10 or 15 minutes on most of the nights. Maybe right before a test, they might be studying for a little longer than that. But if they're spending, over 10, 15 minutes a night, then just reach out to me because I only give them a couple problems a night for the most part. The textbook is another really awesome resource for you. Parents tell me that they really love this textbook because we're following it exactly as it's written, in the order that it's written, and all of the lessons are printed in there with it. So they have a copy here. They usually don't take it home. So if you wanted to look at it while they're at home, you can pull it up in ClassLink. They should know how to do that. And I'll just give you a little preview of how it'll look. When they have it open, it should look something like this. So for example, right now, we're working on dividing with decimals. So here's what a page with a lesson looks like. It has these pink bars, and you can see they're showing them exactly how to divide a decimal by a 1-digit number. There's an explanation, there's an example with an explanation, there's a little visual, and so it gives them the answer and explains how to do it. Then they have their own little practice problems, and then there's even a lot more practice problems if you keep on going. So you can always keep up with what we're doing in the textbook. Other good resources for you would be Infinite Campus. You can check grades and attendance. I always tell the students you should be checking all of your classes on Infinite Campus once a week. And you as parents may want to check, occasionally, just make sure that you're aware of all their grades, you're aware of their attendance. If they're missing a grade or if they've, not received a great grade on something, it's much better to check it and know when it's still fresh in everyone's mind than, wait until the end of the year and then it's like, well, why am I missing something from 3 months ago? And then no one really remembers. So it's just easier. That's why I tell them check it once a week. Of course, you all can check it as often as you want or as little as you want. Just kind of encourage them to do that. They should be able to get on there and check it and kind of keep up with that for themselves. And also you could check Teams if you ever wanted to know what we're up to in class. So you're probably familiar with Teams by now after all this virtual learning stuff. So we have a 6-period enhanced math team. We have lesson plan channel, and if it's week 3, it'll tell you the date of that Monday, and so you can click on that week. Hello, open please. And then here's the whole week. Lessons and homework at the bottom, so you can see their homework. You can see what standard we're working on. So that's another great way to keep up, especially if somebody's been absent. It's a good thing to know. Last but not least, let me pull my face up. Hello again. Okay, last but not least, how to contact me. The best way is through email, of course. My email is hunth@fultonschools.org. And you can reach out to me anytime. If you email me, after school's over, it might take me till the next day, but generally, that day or the next day. And if you have questions about, a grade or questions about what's coming up or just anything, maybe even about this video on curriculum night, just send me an email and I'll be happy to help. I'm really excited about this year. I really enjoyed meeting everybody at Sneak Peek if you were there. And I'm just so glad to have everybody back here at school. And I'm really, really excited for this year. Again, feel free to reach out to me. Here's my email, and have a good night.